Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. The RoyalQ bot working with API keys connected to your exchange, meaning it's trading on your behalf and your funds stay safe in your own exchange. Now, since we've seen all-time highs on different coins, the market has made a big correction and some strategies went out of range, meaning it dropped lower than the final margin call available, not giving you any profit. No, you didn't lose anything, you only devalued because you're still sitting with the asset. But today I'll show you some way to keep on making profits while waiting for the market to correct again. When logging into your RoyalQ app, click on the bottom left corner on quantitative. The moment you've clicked on quantitative, it will take you to the different coins that's trading in your behalf. As you can see, this bot has been open since all-time high, and a lot of coins is showing big minuses. Today we're going to look at Polkadot. Click on Polkadot or any coin in your case. It will open the coin's stats and you can look at it. The first thing I'm seeing is the 30 number of calls made. That means the bot has made 30 margin calls on Polkadot since you started the bot on this coin. As you scroll down, you'll see two things. All margin trigger price reach limit of number of buy-ins. That means on this settings or strategy for this coin, we've reached the maximum amount of margin calls. Just below to that on the right, it says margin call limit 30. That means this strategy had 30 margin calls available, and now we've reached all 30 of them. Scrolling back up to the top right corner, you'll see transaction record. Now, in the moment you click on transaction record, it gives you key information for the strategy we want to use. Clicking on it, it shows the last buy order it made for Polkadot was on $24.75.81. Now this number is key for the strategy we want to use. But now, before this number becomes key, how am I going to keep on increasing my profits? Well, I'll be moving to my Huobi Exchange. As you can see, Huobi Exchange is the exchange we're using for this current bot. Now, Huobi has a new function. If you click on finance, you'll see Huobi Earn. Clicking on Huobi Earn, it's a way where you can get interest on your coins without doing anything. And while waiting for the market to correct, you can get small amounts of profits and keep on growing. Now, the main thing for Huobi Earn is you need to KYC. I'm KYC'd and I'm going to click on Prudent and then I'm going to search for DOT. As you can see, DOT, I click on it and we can get a 5% APY. They have a flexible or a lock-in option. Now, this is important. Choose the flexible option. You can turn auto transfer on, meaning every day the little bits of return you're going to get is going to keep on compounding and help you increase your daily return. You can click on deposit now. As you can see, we got 9.21 DOT, the same amount of DOT it's shown on the stats when we went back. I'm going to say max, agree, auto transfer is on, and I'm going to say next and confirm buy. Now all it did now, it moved all my Polkadot available to my Huobi Earn assets. You can click here to go to your Earn assets wallet, or you can click on balances at the top right corner and you can just scroll down to your Huobi Earn account. Clicking on that, you'll see all my DOT is lying in my Earn wallet. And every day as we move on, we'll see funds and profits as my DOT increase. If you need your DOT back, all you need to do is click on withdraw, click on max. I've agreed, and it will be back in your wallet immediately. I click on withdraw, go to my Exchange wallet. I'm search for dot, and as you can see, all my funds and dot is immediately back into my exchange. Now this is an ideal opportunity to keep on making gains while waiting for the bot to return. But the key factor is you need to know when to take your funds out of your earn wallet to make sure it's available for the bot to continue working the moment the market has corrected and it started moving up again. Now what I'm doing is I'm using TradingView. It's a platform where we do our analyst, and it gives you key points and alerts. As you can see, I've drawn the line where my latest or last buy order were on Polkadot. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on alert, and I'm going to put in this amount. My alert is set there. So the moment the market crosses this mark, I'll get an alert on the app on my phone or on my PC. And I'll know I need to cancel my earn, put my funds back because the market has corrected, and the bot will start giving me profit again if it keeps on correcting and moving up. So if we look over this and we make a quick recap of what we just saw. First of all, you go through your active coins. You look at the number of margin calls. You see if you reach the margin call limit. If you have reached the margin call limit, you go to the exchange which you're using. In this case is Huobi. You select the coin and you go to flexible earn. When going to flexible earn, you can put all your coins in there and auto transfer to keep on getting daily returns. And finally, make sure to set alerts. I'm putting them on TradingView, but there's loads of different opportunities where you can put these alerts to make sure you know when to take your funds out of your earn wallet back to your spot and fiat wallet for the bot to keep on growing and giving you profits. It's a small opportunity, but it keeps on rolling your gains. Leave me your comments and concerns down below and let me know what you think of this strategy. Have a great one.